Chinga kia barokiwa babeire bakwira na gucyase kisukuru magigayo kurabera isiko asegeka irokoro libago bochorio bonene gukorekana imense ya Kenya nigo bono abairanire eryo kugenderera na masomo abo korengana n'umwarimu munene ase skuru ya secondary ya daraja 2 iyo gutoka imemo cyobo songo Samuel Komenda nigatere buna nigo chinga kichororo kire chingeke gima ekyo kirache ko bakonya barabwo ikera syllabus egekogera nigo emirobire menge yabereke guturubania oba gose guturubania emirobire ya masomo anene owatika kwebinyinyi bya COVID-19 imense ya Kenya na bayigo obochorio bonene bwo mwako yega muri keito ndemo Steven noroboti urwaso bwime
inse ye wiki ye momagere chiskuru ko igorwa etaro ya Ndizi TV go ike skuru ya secondary ya daraja 2 egotoke ward ya Kitutu Central Kitutu Chache South ngene kibuna aboro kigubonsi bairanira sentunde ya kabere yo mwaka bwe chisemi.
But on Friday, 75% of them turned for studies. Then this week, at least almost all of them are back to school. And we are on with the school programs as before.
And since we resumed from the election holiday, the school has been running well, having teachers attending the classes, and they are doing well. They are working hard to ensure that the syllabus goes well and they finish in time.
Okoba aborokigu badaraja 2 bakorwa inkago kolengane chiskuru chiri aborokigu bamenyete ime omwarimu Samuel Komenda nigakorera buna oyuo beiro mochando ase barabugo ikeri gosomye binte binge gokolenganine tinga kinke igochiro ase kalenda yechisemi.
Here we struggle to create extra time to prepare these learners for KCSE. So there are constraints in terms of time to complete the syllabus, given that we lost 1 week when we went out for the elections.
Gwetero kubwatira nagati omokibwa bali muna borokigu mbabwato kwegena buna mbaikeria mange asamarigani ya matemu yo mwaka oyo a KCSE.
We have been having tough times, looking for time to cover the time that we lost. It's hard, but all we need is to encourage ourselves
that with God everything is possible. They just need to relax and rely on God.
We work together, we work hard so that we can improve our school.
Ningependa kukaribisha wanafunzi wawe uhuru waendelee kusoma wasibaki nyuma.
All the programs are up and running and we are doing our best as teachers and the students are cooperating.
Ogo saba kwabona serikali kunyara gosire skuru ya samagacho goisane kiamagani yaborokigwa bange bagosoma iga.
If the government then could come in and support us in terms of facilities, classrooms and textbooks, laboratories, then I think we'll be very eager to even accommodate all those that have come in to seek for permission in this school.
Chisemi neke bunguo kyobo gimana kurwa igase skuru ya daraja 2 secondary school wetera chinkwa na chiaba orokigu kurwa se skuru eye na abali mukorwa nseme ye nigo bene kiribuna batumeke chinsa chinke go chiroro go ikeria mange mage chiskuru kwiranira chisemi chiabo mega yo mutimo komokeigo yobo chorio bonene kolipotire taseni kia Ndizi TV kurwa igase skuru ya daraja 2 secondary school Elietaliane Ndemo Steven.